All right, guys, this is break 4. I haven't been using my intro or outro because they're loose packs on the table, and I didn't want to leave them off screen at any time. So here is break 4, and I'm hoping we didn't use up all our autos in the last break. Xavier Edwards. Gratterall. Matt Manning. Aquino. Volpe. That's all right. They'll find it when they're sorting. The inserts can be tough. They can be tough to pick out. Kirillov. Howard. There's a Dominguez. Alec Baum. Amaya. Seville. Vargas. Pache. Lewis Robert. Aquino. Joe Adele. Josh Young. Logan Davidson. Come on, be an auto. Nope. Amaya. Christian Pache. Another Dominguez, though. So we hit a Dominguez base in every break. So congrats to the Yankees in every break. I think they've had an auto in every break, too. Just not the auto. Not yet. But we're going to do this again. I'm not sure exactly when. First chance I get. After this break, after the randoms, I'm going to take the boys. We're going to go get something to eat and then come back and break for the 100-caser. So I'll be breaking probably all night long. I'd expect I'll break all night long again. Alvarez. Madrigal. Uh-oh. That's our first orange. Duran. Joey Bart. Looks good in orange. Giants. Oh, nice sleeve. There's an auto. Come on, be the one, be the one, be the one. Braden Shoemake. That's our second Braden Shoemake auto. Braves. Poisson. That's nice. And Adley. Forrest Whitley. Alzole. Hunter Green. So now I want to hit a second auto. Actually, I want to hit 5 again, but a second auto would be nice. Luzardo. Bajarski. Luzardo purple. It's 250. These have been on point this year. They're awful colorful. And we've hit 11 autos, which is quite a bit more than we were supposed to. Terang, Gavin Lux. Terang again. Scooball, purple. Joe Adele. Miguel Vargas. AJ Puck. Got a green. John Diaz and John Diaz. John Diaz hot box. Lewis Robert. 299 on the Diaz. That's a cool card. For the Rays. Nolan Gorman. Royce Lewis. Riley Green. Miguel Vargas. Another Dominguez. It's 3 Dominguez. 2 inserts, 1 base. Nico Horner. Wander Franco. Looks like 5 packs left. Counting this one, 5 packs left. Yamamoto, Joe Adele. Antonio Cabello. Purple. Brendan McKay. 2 packs to go. Got it. Got another auto. All right, good. Good, good. CJ Abrams. Bo Bichette. Riley Green. Nick Bennett. Look at that. Gavin Lux. Nice card. Nice hit. I'll take it. All right, so we hit at least 2 autos in every break. One break we had 5. I think this one ended up with 13, right? Wasn't there 2 in this one? Yeah, okay. Well, 2 in this one. Gavin Lux auto. Cabello, Dominguez, John Diaz, Skubal, Luzardo, Poisson, Braden Shoemake, Joey Bart, Christian Pache, Dominguez base, and Dominguez insert. This is a pretty good break, actually. All right, guys, let me save this video, and then let's see if we can get the website to work for the randoms.